Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Dana, and in this video I'm going to show you my recent purchase from Manolo Blahnik. Manolo Blahnik shoes is one of my dream shoes, and I never thought I would be able to buy it because honestly, even though it's really beautiful, it's also super expensive. That's why when I saw it was 40% off, I immediately grabbed the opportunity and bought it right away. So if you're interested to know how I bought these shoes for 40% off, then keep on watching. So I'm sure most of you here want to see the shoes, so without further ado, let's start unboxing. So this is the Manolo Blahnik box. It's just a simple white box. So this is the receipt that I got from the online shop where I bought it from. And then there is this Manolo Blahnik card. Okay, so with the code. And let's start opening. Are you excited? I know I have already opened it, but I'm still so excited to see it because guys, it's so pretty. I've never been excited about shoes. I have never been this excited to unbox the shoes. So as you can see, it's covered on 2 dust bags. So the dust bag has the Manolo Blahnik logo. It's just a linen type dust bag. So this is what I bought. It's so pretty. So this is the Hangisi pumps in black. This is in 90 millimeters. It is so pretty. Let me get the other one. So here they are, so pretty. Let me remove the things. So these are the shoes. It's super duper pretty. So these are the Hangisi black pumps in black. So if you could see, this is really pretty. The moment I unboxed it, I was so blown away because it was so pretty. I have waited for 2 weeks for this to be shipped here in Dubai, and I was so happy when it came. Because this is my dream shoes. It's so elegant, it's so classic and timeless. This shoes has been out for years, but still people still buy it and they still make it because it's really such a classic. It's so beautiful and so elegant. It's perfect for events, for date nights, for brunches, for special occasions, for birthdays, anniversaries, whatever. It's perfect because it's really that versatile. You can use it for day or night. It's so beautiful. I'm so happy that I finally own this. I'm just so happy. It's so beautiful. Next, I'm going to show you some modeling shots to see how the shoes look like. also like to mention that I bought this size, so my size is 39. As you can see, this is 39 and my true size is 39. But when I fit the shoes, it was kind of loose on me, and they say in the website that it runs small, so you should size up. But actually, I think I should have ordered 38.5 because 39 is quite loose for me. But I think that won't be a problem because I could put like pads here or silicone, so it will be a bit tight fit. I would also just like to mention that as you can see with the shoes, I thought that when I first saw the shoes, it was kind of narrow and my feet is a bit wide, so I was worried that maybe it won't fit me or it won't be comfortable. But my first impression was that this is really comfortable. Seriously, you guys, this really looks like jewelry on your feet. I've never seen anything so beautiful on my feet. It really looks so elegant, so classy, and it really elevates your look even if you're wearing just a simple clothing. But if you wear this kind of shoes, it's like wow. So I'm really happy that this is now part of my collection, and I hope one day I can be able to afford another one in a different color, probably a bolder one, maybe pink or the classic blue that is very famous. But I thought of getting the black one first because I know that I'll get a lot of use out of it, and this is my first pair, so I want it to be neutral and classic. And let's see, one day maybe I'll get another one in a different color. The moment I slipped my feet on it, I felt that it was really comfortable, and I've read a lot of reviews and I've watched a lot of videos saying that this is one of the comfortable shoes that they have, so I'm really looking forward to that. I haven't used it yet, I just got it yesterday, but there, I'm really so happy. As I've mentioned earlier, I bought the shoes online from a shop in Instagram called Amuze Inc. So basically they're based in Italy and in the US, but they get most of their stocks, the stocks in Italy directly from the brand, so there's no middleman. That's why they get it for such a huge discount. So for this pair, I got it for 40% off from their website. So basically they post all of the items in their Instagram stories, and then there's a link where you could just swipe up and then purchase the item from there, and then they will send you an invoice and then they'll deliver it to your place. Just to give you a brief background, I live in Dubai, and the shipping fee from US to Dubai is around $70, so that is quite expensive. And I was quite surprised as well that when I received the item, I had to pay customs duties, which is also around $100. So basically what I saved, that was 40% off. It became, all in all, it became like 20% off discount. But if you're from the US, which most of our customers are from, the customs duty will be handled by the company, and the shipping fee will be cheaper, of course. If you have any more questions, I will link their Instagram page below. This is no way a sponsored video. I wish it was, but I just want to help you out in case you're also in the lookout for similar shoes like me. At first, actually, I was hesitant to order again, but if the price difference is really high, like $500 difference or $400 to $500 difference, I would say that go for it because there's still a saving. From where I live, this kind of shoes and in this kind of color, they don't really go on sale like that, so it's still a good deal. It's not that much, but it's still a good deal in my opinion. There you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I did. If you have any comments, please let me know down below. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you're always updated whenever I have new videos like this. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one. Bye!